How would you like it if a website is being built right in front of your eyes? The text is being written in front of your eyes. Images will be placed on your website right in front of your eyes. And all of this is being created by just adding a few keywords, and then boom, your website's created. Content is created, images are created, and much more. Well, I'm super proud to announce today to you SightBuilder, which is a product that I'll be releasing myself today with my partner Ankit. He's my main partner and he created this product. We've worked hard and a long time to launch this. And yeah, I can't be more excited to launch this and to show you this software product. It's really amazing. And in case you're interested, there is a link in the description of this video. Right now, we have a special launch price for everyone who picks it up right now. And at the end of the video, I also have a very special discount to mention that I'm not going to add on any page. So make sure you watch till the end. So right now I'm logged in, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a page from the start immediately. And then I'm going to answer some other questions as well. So here you can see create with AI. When I click this button here, I can choose what kind of workspace I want to publish this to. Now I can, basically a workspace is a domain or subdomain. You can publish your pages to your own domains if you like to. You can connect your own domain to site pages. But in this case, I'm just going with one of the subdomains here, which is my demo account. I'm going to hit submit. And now the chat builder will load. I only have to answer a few questions and then it will create the website right in front of your eyes. So here it's asking us, select the business type or enter custom. So we've pre-configured this with a lot of different businesses that you can choose from. You can create websites for all these businesses, but you can create a website for anything, you know. Let me just type one in here. Let's say beauty salon, beauty salon here, and then hit enter. And then it's going to ask me what's the name of your business. So I'm going to do beauty for a woman, and I'm going to hit enter. And now it's going to ask me, what do you want this site to be about? So I can say here a beauty salon, and oh, I forgot to show you something, but you could also choose the language, where you can choose from 40 different languages. But as you can see here, it already created an outline for our website. So it's going to start with a header, an about us, and then discover the best beauty salon services in your area, and then transform your look at our top-rated beauty salon, indulge in luxurious treatments at our premier beauty salon services, etc. Now you can change this, you can add parts as well if you like to. Not going to do that right now, but you can type anything here. So if you're going to type, it's going to add that to the website as well. Now, when I hit submit here, look what's going to happen. It's going to start here, sprinkling magic dust, crafting digital spells here. Look at this. It's going to grab all the information to create your website. Here, weaving web wonders, etching stories, and boom, it's already there. Now I can select the theme that I would like to use. So here you can choose from the built-in themes that I want to use. So in this case, I think this is a nice one, this pink one. So I'm going to select this one and I'm going to hit continue. And look what happens right now. It's building the site right in front of your eyes with images, everything here. Look. This is the right theme for this, right? This is pink. This is perfect for a beauty salon. And it's writing the text. It's creating the website right in front of your eyes here. Look at this, how beautiful. And this will just continue. It's creating the full website for you. So look at this here. Transform your look at top-rated beauty salon, professional hairstyling. The second one here. So luxurious spa treatments. So it's adding all these elements to the page. Now, let me pause the video, come back once it's done. And there you go, it's at the bottom now. So it has created testimonials. Look at this, hairstyling, and look at these effects as well here. It's appearing, do you see that? And this is in a website being created just, right in front of your eyes here. It's starting here. And then you can start editing your site if you like to. So you can click on edit, and you can edit every element on this page here. So this is basically the page builder, as you can see here. And yeah, you can see all these elements. But if you like to add a new element to the page, you can see these are different blocks here that we applied to our page. So if you want to add a new block here at the bottom, for example, you can simply go to sections in here, and there we have a bunch of extra sections that you can add. So let's say you want to add a big image like this here. Boom, it's going to add that to our page. And if you like to change this photo, you simply go to this folder here. And here you can search through millions of royalty-free images. So let's say I'm going to search for beauty here. Then it's going to import all these photos from the beauty, from the royalty stock sites here. And I can simply choose whatever I like from these pictures in here. So let's say I want to use, let's say which one here. Let's say this one here. This is a cool one. I can add this one to the background. Look at this. Now it looks like this. And it's super easy to change everything. Now, as you can see here, it comes with content as well. And the cool thing is, let me see if I can zoom in a bit. No, that's difficult here. But when you click on the left side here, you can also see the AI assistant. Now, this is a chatbot which is connected that you can use to change your page. Everything on your page can be changed with this AI assistant. And when I click here on the prompts, you can see that I can use all these prompts. So for example, add a section that highlights the power of web solutions. Now, this is just an example with text, but if I want to add an extra section here, I can simply click on here. And instead of that highlights AI-powered web solutions, I can say that highlights our beauty salon. Our beauty salon, and then include a compelling headline, a paragraph, and 2 buttons named Our Works and Get in Touch. Also add a background image. So when I send this, it's going to add this to our page. And basically you can type with this AI assistant and it will create it for you. Look at this here. Experience the beauty of our salon. Indulge in a world of luxury and relaxation at our beauty salon. So the buttons have been created like I requested here. You see, because I asked add a paragraph and 2 buttons named Our Works and Get in Touch. Look what it created, Our Works and Get in Touch. So this AI assistant is super smart and is able to create things on your website. You can also edit specific blocks. So let's say I'm here on this block here. I can say, for example, and then what I need to do is I need to click on edit selected block here. And then I'm selecting this block. I can say make the font bigger. Look at this. I'm going to hit send and look at this. When I click send, it's going to make the font bigger. I can also say make the font white, for example, if I want to have a white font color. And boom, there you go. And I can also do that in here. So I can also say I want to change the color in here if I like to. But you can use the builder as well. So if I want to create another section, or I can say, write an extra paragraph. I could say write an extra graph about our salon here. Oh, what I did wrong now is I said general. So what it will do is it will create a whole new block. But basically, you will be able to add new text in here as well. But as you can see, within a few seconds, boom, it's showing me a duplicate of this block so that I can see how it looks like with an extra paragraph, as you can see. And if I like, I can keep it. And if I can delete the previous one like this, and now I keep this one, or I can simply delete the blocks in here. Now, there are so many customization options in this page builder that this is almost too much to review. Now, like I said here, you have so many prompts. So you could add borders. You could basically say whatever you like, and then the website will be built or it will do what you ask to do. And that's really, really cool. So let me scroll through it so that you can see it. So explain our galaxy, add a selected block, selection layout, a section here, add a background image, change the background image, add a background slider. There is so much to do. You can even change the font. Simply ask it to the chat here, the AI assistant, and it will change. Now, one of the cool things, let's say I'm going to select this one. I say here, make the font bigger. make the font bigger. And again, you can also do that here, right? When I go to font settings, I can also change the fonts and also the size, etc. I just like to show you how we can do it here. Look at this. So what I want to show you here, for example, and I'm going to remove this image in here, and then I'm going to do the background black. So what I want to show you here, for example, what is really cool with the font, for example, when I want to select this, I can say, make the font gradient from purple to yellow, something like this. Look at this. So I'm going to do this here, and it's going to change the font now in a gradient style. It's really cool. There you go. Oh, now it created the background here in gradient. So what I did wrong here, I think I pressed pause on my video, sorry, is I didn't select the block. So I need to select the block, and then I need to select this block. So let's go back here and go to this one and say edit selected block, and then hit send. Now it's going to make this font. You see that? Boom. This is what I want to show you actually. Go from purple to yellow. If I want to have this from, I don't know, to blue, I can change this as well. And again, I need to select that block. So I need to click this block, edit selected block in here, and then to blue, and it will change the font. But I just want to show you how cool this editor is, as you can see. And if you want to undo things, you simply click on undo, and boom, there you go. But you can do some really, really cool stuff, as you can see. Now, you can add all these blocks to your website here. Simply click it, boom, and a new block will be added. I want to add another block, simply click, and boom, it will be added to your website. Really, really cool. Also, what I really love about this builder is that it has animations. When I click on the animations tab here, I can apply animations to my page immediately. Now look at this. When I use the zoom, boom, this is how my page comes up. I can add this to every element. I can do like this, or like this, or like this. And I really like that. Or here from the bottom here, I can apply all these effects to my pages. So also this one, I can click on here and I can say, I want to have this zoom out. Boom, look at this. So when you scroll over your pages, this makes it really high quality, looks high quality, right? And I can apply everything. And I can also delete all these effects here by clicking on clear. And then I can say, I want to edit this one manually, and I can say, for example, I want to have this photo, only this photo being animated. I'm going to say, I'm going to fade this in. Look at this. Or I want to have this slide up here like this, or maybe horizontal, some stuff like this. Or maybe I want to zoom this in or zoom this out like this. And now only this element, do you see, has been animated. Now stuff like that is all possible with this builder. Other cool feature is that it also comes with typography. You can change the typography of a section or of a whole page. So when I want to change all the fonts on this face of this page, the headline, for example, here, when I go to another one here, these old days, when I click on this, look what happens. Do you see that? My page changed here. If I want to have, let me say a really elegant font, if we can find it. Let's say this one, Sweetness. Look at this. So now everything on my page, look at this, has been changed to this specific font series. And that's really cool. So it shows you the H1, the paragraphs, etc. You can go look at all these. I'm going to scroll through them. Look at this. All of these can be applied. So many different styles. You simply click on it and look at this. Boom. The font has been changed on every paragraph. Now in this case, I did only for this specific one, but you get the idea, right? And all of that is possible. Now there's so many more things. Content blocks. So content blocks is simply all of these blocks. So if you want to drag and drop these, let's say you want to do a testimonial here, you drag and drop this at the area where you would like to have it, and boom, it's on your page. So you have whole sections that you can add, like headers here, like this. So you can do full photo headers to your page. It's really nice when you add headers like this. Look at this, and this will be the header of your website. But you could do more. You could do sliders, for example, or articles if you want to add this, with all different kind of layouts. As you can see, it is really, really professional. Look at this. And you can change everything. Again, you click on the photo, the right side, and you can change everything within literally seconds. Also, you can add HTML. Check out the HTML of your page. You can change the whole HTML of your page if you like to, and add your own. So I'm going to cancel this. Let me see what's more. So inside of the settings, you will also be able to have a live preview here. So if you have a bigger screen, right now I'm showing this on a pretty small layout, but I can also, when you have a big screen, you can see the live preview of your site in this preview style window. And also, you can see how this looks like on mobile phone here. When you go over this page, this is a live preview of your mobile phone. And that brings me to the next thing as well, that you will be able to hide specific elements on mobile as well. So at the right side, you have all these options in here. So for example, you want to change this to a gradient color, you can do that. Look at this. But also here, responsive, you can say, for example, let me show you, let's say this text element, you can say here in the paragraph settings, no, let me see where it is actually. Boom, 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 boom. No, it's not here. Let me see if I can do it with another element here. Let's say this one here. Somehow I can't find it right now. More settings. No. By the way, you can also change your theme. So if you want to have a black theme to work with, you can do that as well. I cannot find it right now, what I wanted to show you, but there is a possibility to hide specific elements on mobile as well. So here you see the right side, but for each element, it is a little bit small here. You can click on these dots here, and then you can move the settings in here, and there you can change some settings in here. So for example, here it is. This is what I want to show you. So you need to click on this icon here, and then you can say, for example, on desktop, I want to hide this. And you see it grays out a bit, and it will not be shown when you are on a desktop. And you can do the same thing here. If you want to hide this on tablet, you do hide, and then it will only show on an iPad here, as you can see, and it will show on a iPhone or a phone. So you can decide whatever you like. You can also say, I want to make this visible. So you can make mobile pages that are optimized for mobile and optimized for desktop, etc. All of that is included. And of course, everything can be changed in here. Like you can add shadows, you can add corners, you can add borders, you can add text. And again, you can do this by using the right side menu, or you can do that by using here the AI assistant in here where you can type. And basically you can move this around your whole screen. And yeah, you can publish your site here. By the way, there is an option to download the site as HTML as well. This is one of the upgrades. And let me save my site. You can publish this site here. Here, let me see. Page info, SEO. Let me see. Let me publish here. Publish. Yeah, there it is. Oh, the wrong button. So when I publish the site, I can decide to which domain or subdomain I want to publish this. So I'm going to keep it here. I can change the URL. So I'm going to say beauty salon in here. And now it will be published to this page. I'm going to hit save. And now my website has been created. So when I go to publish again, I go to this link, I click on this link, it will open the website for me. Look at this. This is the website that we just created here. And here you see the extra blocks at the bottom. No, it's not here. I think I didn't save my page. Not sure where that went wrong, but it should have. Oh no, they're not on the page here. So I think I refreshed it somehow in between while pausing the video because it's not in here any longer. But anyway, that's how you can preview and save your pages. And let me go back, by the way, here. Forms can also, here we have forms as well. So you can connect here your webhook to the different autoresponders. We have that as well. So when we go back here, inside of the dashboard here, you have your workspaces where you can add new workspaces, give this a name, a company name. If you create websites for companies, create a subdomain on our domain. And if you like to, you can connect this to your own domain as well. And these settings can be seen in here where you connect your domain name with your DNS CNAME to your subdomain, and then you can run this on your own domain. Now we have integrations as well. Currently ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, GetResponse. We have different API settings, and that is for your API key for ChatGPT. If you want to use ChatGPT, the AI assistant. So the creation of websites is being done by us. If you want to use that AI assistant, you need to connect your OpenAI key. And that's literally pennies. If you connect that, it won't cost you much, but we cannot include that honestly, because otherwise it would not be profitable for us. But if you like to use that AI assistant, simply connect your key, and that's just a matter of pennies. And yeah, tutorials as well. So tutorials are included here as well, where you can see how to get started with the builder, how to add extra sections, how to use the AI assistant, etc. So yeah, that's it basically. If you're interested in getting this, make sure to check out the link in the description. And I promised you to say something at the end of this video, because I had a webinar that I streamed to YouTube as well. And during the webinar, I say the people that act fast get an extra discount. And this discount has not been communicated with affiliates. So I'm going to say it to you, and I'm not going to paste it below this video. If you want to get the bundle and you want to get the early webinar discount, I'm going to give you the most discount. And you need to use coupon ACT FAST. ACT FAST. So you need to act fast. Coupon ACT FAST, and that will give you $50 discount on the bundle deal. And let me actually show you the bundle deal. There we go, because this is honestly, this is actually a no-brainer. I've never seen a webinar bundle, a bundle deal, which is so good as this one. And I'm not biased. I'm telling you, I'm not biased, because let me show you, let me explain. So you will see this page here. So what you're going to get the front-end products. You're going to get everything here. What you also will get is unlimited. So you can build unlimited pages, unlimited custom domains can be connected to your SightBuilder account. You can create unlimited websites, etc. So HTML export is included as well. So that's part of the bundle deal. Then we got the template club, where you get all the pro upgrades as well. But this is the one that will blow your socks off, because we're going to give away full white label rights if you pick this up during the launch, which means full white label right means that you can sell SightBuilder under your own brand, under your own name, under your own domain even. You can sell this to other businesses. So you can basically create websites for other businesses in their account. So you create an account for that business. You can create a website and you can sell the website, including login details, to that client so that you can modify the website themselves if you like to. Or you can simply sell SightBuilder under your own brand. So you can add your own logo, your own name on your own domain, and you can sell it as your own. Just like I'm now selling SightBuilder, the product that we created, where we spent tens of thousands of dollars to create this. You can sell this as your own. And this comes with the bundle deal. I mean, that's, in my opinion, pretty crazy. I've asked Ankit 5 times, is this included? Do you mean that they can do this and that? And every time I said, yes, that's included. So in my opinion, that's a no-brainer. This is included in the bundle deal. And for a price like this, I mean, normally you pay 10K, even more, maybe double 10Ks to get this. Video Builder, you will get that as well. So that's where you can create videos with AI, similar to how you create websites. It creates videos for you. That's part of the bundle deal. Also, voice motions. This is a product that we've released before. We're going to add this to the bundle as well. And also some extra bonuses that you're going to get. It's a no-brainer. And all of this here, look at the bottom, it's $297. Normally you would get early bundle 40 off if you use ActFast, because I'm telling this because people were on YouTube seeing the webinar, but I did the webinar on my Big Marker webinar account. So they watched the webinar on YouTube, and I never shared any link and any discount coupon on YouTube. So I thought it's only fair to share this discount coupon with you, as you also my follower, and I appreciate that. So make sure, don't use early bundle, but use ActFast to get the most discount. And that's what SightBuilder is all about. Where am I here? I hope that I had the right screen. I thought that I shared things on the screen. Not sure. Anyway, it's late. I had the whole launch. I had the webinar. You get the idea, right? Go check it out. And thanks for watching. Hit a thumbs up if this video was useful. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done yet. And looking forward to see you in my next video. Talk soon. Cheers.